already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Hey babe. Look, we just took that back cover off. It's now under there, clearing out all the panels. Gonna clean it, gonna see what the framework's like. Right, so I just unscrewed that panel off. Now we've got to do the same on the rest. Like, I'm surprised how clean it is, it's a bit dusty. But it's not as bad as having this rotten wood. Yeah, we did it! Look at that, we've only had it for a couple of hours and we've already managed to strip out all the panels off the side. So we're just gonna strip the floor and then yeah, see what we have. But not too much to do, like all the structure is fine. So we even have some lights over here. And yeah, there was like a huge strap thing that was attached to the frame. I think it was for a spare tyre, but we don't have a spare tyre, so we're going to get rid of that. So it's all happening right now. So we took the panel off here. We have a safety guard, we're going to keep the safety guard on. I've taken all of this, there's only a little bit of dust. So that's good. So I think we are going to keep the stripes that are on the outside. So we like that. Looking attractive. So all the wood has been removed. I'm brutal. I've even got my acrylic nails on. How glamorous. All of the wood was rotten. I managed to pull it all up. There is a few screws and stuff we need to get out. There's a hole in the middle. So we're gonna have to cover that, seal that. Gonna treat it with a primer. Gonna cover everything once it's all clean. But yeah, I can't believe we've done this within about an hour and a half. Stripped out everything. So yeah, like, I love doing this. I even have dirt on my nose, look at that. DIY expert. Going crazy. Going crazy. So we put all the wood under there for now, underneath, because we need to go and take all of it to the dump. I can't believe we actually managed to take it home today as well. Excited.
Oh, I'm filming now. Are you on a photo?
No, I won't film.
Oh, yeah.
Wrong way. What are you? This is YouTube. So much dirt and like crap. I'm just glad like the metal work is completely fine. And yeah, it still looks intact, like paintwork anyway. Oh, scrubbing up well. Ugh. Okay, so it's 20 to 6 in the evening. I think we got back about 12 o'clock. We've been working on it pretty much the whole time we've been back, and we stripped all the wood out. We've like swept all of the floors, Now we're just finishing wiping it down, giving it a good clean, washing all that dirt away. You can see the bottom floor now. So there is a few little patches of rust on the floor, but we're going to treat that with a metal primer. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just to seal it, stop it from rusting anymore, but there isn't a lot of rust on it considering like how cheap it was. And also this van's only done 130,000 miles, which is really good considering it was a considering it's a 2005 vehicle. Yeah? Am I right? Yeah?
I thought so, yeah.
yeah, it's been so exciting. I'm still like buzzing inside, but I can feel my energy slowly draining. But like once you get working into it, you underestimate how like tiring it can be. But I've enjoyed every minute of it, and I'm looking forward to the next stage. And I feel so dusty. I'm so dusty. We still got to wipe down the ceilings, but look how white and clean this side is. This side's a little bit dirty, but it could be a little worse. We still need to sort out everything for the van, get it working. Hello. Look how dirty. Oh, I'm actually surprised how good the quality of the camera is on this phone.
So this is like top of the van from our garden, sticks out. So day 2 working on the van.
And we've managed to clean. Still got a little scrubbing to do, but it's come up very nice. So the next thing we're going to be doing is getting the framework sorted. Gonna touch up the rust with some anti-rust paint. So we've also been looking into, I feel like I got mud on my face. So we've also been looking into getting a skylight roof vent installed to help with the ventilation and the air circulation and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna see if we can get that installed within the next couple of weeks, and then we can work on fitting the sides and the roof around it and stuff. But yeah, it's super exciting. We've been working on the van for a couple of hours now this morning. Yeah, day 2 I think is just going to be cleaning it up and getting rid of all the dirt, because there was so much dirt. It's got so much potential.
Yeah, a quick break with a sneaky ice cream.
Life is good.
So I'm wearing gloves because I've already busted my knuckles up by scraping and like brushing everything. So I'm just getting all the dirt off the metal, wiping it all down. Right, we're at B&Q, gonna get some stuff. Right, so I'm looking for some giant sponges to clean the inside. I need one of these in my life. Look at the size of this. Wow. Have a nice little bath. Sponge, bucket. So let hurt yourself. I have my hand already doing all the work. Get one of these. Sorted. They got some work gloves as well.
I'm really bad at vlogging. I ended up trying to do a video clip and it wasn't even recording, but you get the idea. So, got some tools, just little knickknacks to help with the cleaning process. And we're looking for some house numbers as well, so we can put that in front of our like back garden bit. Yeah, it's gonna be helpful because it's quite a big van. Yeah, and some work gloves as well to help with the bruised knuckles. It's all the scrubbing. We were looking at the prices of the woods as well, all the different types of woods. But they do like pallets of woods, or what is it? What would you call them? Planks?
Yeah, planks.
Well, like a long strip of wood. You can get like a pack of 4 for £19 something. But I'm gonna have to do all the measurements and see how much wood we're gonna need. But it shouldn't be too much. I'm hoping we can do like all the inside for like, I don't know, like 100 quid. But that's being hopeful and positive. But it's a really nice day today. I feel really summery and all my freckles are coming out. Yay!
Nice and clean. The floor's not looking too bad. Actually
Pretty shiny. How many hours would you say we've worked on it so far?
8.
About 8 hours. Okay, so the sun is going down. It's the end of day 2 and we still have a little bit of cleaning to do, but the whole day's pretty much been scrubbing it down, but it's looking good. So yeah, keep you updated. So I managed to get everything off with this WD-40. It's been a lot easier trying to get all the gunk off with this. And look how shiny that is. Ooh. Also had to get some stones and stuff that was stuck in this bit of the door. There was a huge load of mud that's collected over there, and at the bottom there all that stuff was stuck in the door, all that gunk. So I managed to get that out and now the door closes a lot better. It was making like a crunchy noise as it was closing, so that's gone now. And also with this light, it has kind of like a loose connection, so we've kind of wedged it in with a washer. Otherwise it just like turns on every so often, so just keep an eye on that. There's another light up there as well. That one works fine. Some guy's random number there. Tried to clean the outside a little bit, but it needs a pressure washer, I think, to get that all off. Yeah, okay, right. So I shut the door and now there isn't like a crunchy noise. Not as bad, no. Need to keep an eye on the door though, because if you open it, this thing here, it's only got one bolt in there, so looks like it needs to be in the right position. Oh, I can't do it with one hand, I'm too weak. Right, is that shut? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think it's really funny with all these like stripy decor detailing. Also has the stripes on the front. I tried to give it a clean. There was some bird poo and stuff I got off. Can't really, need some better quality soap. Yeah, it looks nice. So this is a Vauxhall Movano. So we're in the process of sanding down all of the bits of paint that have rust on them. And then with this hole in the middle we're going to fill it. So once it's been treated for the metal, we're going to put something in it and then seal it. Managed to get away all the like peely paint that was on this. Okay, so about day 4 on the van, and we're still sorting out the metal. That's what I've been doing today. So I've just been filing it down wherever there is any rust, so it gets to this, and then I'm sanding it down, get it nice and smooth, and then it's ready to be primed with a galvanizing paint to help seal it and protect the metal. But yeah, look how clean it is now. But it's spent most of the time trying to get all of that mud and the dirt and the rotten wood out. But yeah, I mean, there's only a couple patches. It's like cleaning products everywhere. When I'm working on something like this, really do not put makeup on because it's a complete waste of time. So much dust and dirt gets stuck onto your face and hair, but it really is quite tiring. You underestimate how tiring it can be. I just started working on it again today. It's about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Just get little bits done at a time.